Alright, this video is showing how to switch back and forth to the from video to camera, so you can take pictures. Like say if you play sports or something like that, you may want to take a picture like you playing basketball, and then switch it back from recording a basketball video to a picture. This how you do it. You gotta hold mode. Okay. Um. Yes. The memory card is already in there. Um. So you see the picture sign right there. So that's how you do it. You gotta push mode, hold mode. Yes. I'm just doing this so I won't forget, cause sometimes I'm like I forget sometimes like I'm taking notes. Yeah, so I won't forget because I just wanna when I what I'm saying, I just wanna when I give me a car and everything, I um just wanna don't want to forget, man. And ain't nothing wrong with taking notes. It's just I take notes with a lot of stuff I do, even with learning about the entertainment business and stuff like that. Like I take notes and stuff like I take notes with a lot of stuff. That's how you learn and stuff like that. And you know it's good to take notes. Now let me go to the videos. Um, yeah, go to the video. Hit mode. That's the picture. That's how you take pictures. Oh yeah, you can put the date. You can put the date and time on there. So I gotta put my date and time on there because I want to have my date and time on there so that way you can know what date it is. Yeah, that's beautiful out there, man. Beautiful idea. Yeah, that's like that. That's it. I'm gonna continue taking notes.